Oh yes, no. Today I'm on sound editing. I've got to take these white panels off. Turn you around, show you. Take the white panels off. Sound editing back doors, sliding doors. I've done most of them. I've got sliding door on both back doors to do. I've done alt roof, alt sides. I've got this door to do as well. Sliding door. So yeah, I'll get back to you when that's done. And then hopefully I'm going to start putting bed frame in. I want to lift it up, so I'm putting some battens in. I'll show you when I get to it. So, does sound editing work? Well, we'll see, right? So, I'm doing the back doors of the van. So I'll turn you around. That's one door done. That's the other door not done. So if we shut this one, this one's done, this one ain't. So yeah, to be fair as well, I've only bought the cheap stuff, and you can tell there's a big difference between them doors, and they've got to be insulated and then obviously boarded up and carpeted or whatever I'm going to do with it. So yes, now been running the cables. So I'm using the Arctic blue cable. It's for 240 because it's a nice standard. We used to use this on building sites and what have you for all the tools, and it's pretty good rough stuff. So I'll turn you around and show you what I mean. So this cable, I've fastened it to the sides. These are brilliant. It's like a clip that goes over. It'll focus. And then it's got a zip tie on it. You just pull tight once you've put it over metal. So that'll stop any rubbing of metal. I've run it up through here, over there, across there where I'm going to have some switches and stuff. I'm going to have some sockets down there. Down it across, I've run it across there and some conduit through there. Drilled an hole in there, put a rubber grommet in. Run it up, some more conduit to come out down there, where I'm going to have a 240 with like USBs and what have you. So lights, all lights are going to be, so it's probably overkill for 12 volt stuff, but I don't want no fires and no weird shit going on. So yeah, a lot of it's going to be 12 volt stuff. So lights, USBs, only going to be a couple of 240 sockets there. So yeah, that's most of the cabling done. I'm probably going to have some more to do. Because plans change as you're moving along, don't they? You know what I mean? I'm going to need some lights in the garage bit once I've done that as well. I've done most of it. Oh, sound deadening's done now, apart from the floor. I haven't took this floor up yet because my drive's steep and I don't want to break my neck getting back up on. So I've left that. I'm going to leave that in as long as I can, but I'm going to have to start taking it out soon. So yeah, guys, cabling's nearly done, sound deadening's done. I'm going to start, I think, on the back doors, making the template. I want it fully lined, the back doors, and then I might put some pockets in where that is, and then maybe like one down there for bits and bats that are probably going to be in boot spare. So yes, no, still sorting out these beds. So I'm looking at brackets to hang the bed, Macy's bed, single bed, higher up, but they were absolute fortune. So we've come up with our own idea. So let me flip you around, I'll show you, then I'll show you. So I've come up with this idea. So it's sat on there and it's wedged in there, and then it's screwed and screwed, going nowhere. Both sides same, going nowhere. So it shows how strong it is, kid. Lift your feet up. Oosh. It's going nowhere, that kid, is it? So what we've got to do is probably make another one to go there.
Can hold Dad's weight as well.
And then I'm going to put one on that back strut.
And we're going to have to take that out.
Yeah, we'll have to take them out. So yeah, big up, jungle is massive. I'm not paying £560 million for a bracket to hang off of the van when I can make one.
Well,
so I've made one.
One down there, one up here.
So yeah, bad, strong as they come, that. It's going nowhere. Might have to do another and then one. So one's gonna go here-ish maybe, and then one on that, because I'm having bed go around that corner like that. Both beds. So double bed. Double bed's gonna be. Double bed's gonna be in there, obviously. I need to fasten them in yet. And there'll be 1, 2, 3. I'm going to strengthen them as well.
Did you get these from IKEA?
And then one at back. Yeah, we got them from IKEA. Yeah.
So, not sponsored by the way.
Not sponsored by the
Hashtag
way.
not sponsored.
So yeah, bed frame coming on. Once we've got the bed frame done, we're going to take them out, and then we can ply line, cupboards, all that kind of shizzle me nizzle. We're going to start with back doors. I've made a template for that one, look, out of membrane. So I need to do that on the other side, and then we'll cut them out in plywood, and we'll insulate them doors, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Cupboards and all that
shit. By the way, so that's probably not.
I've run most of the cable. So yeah, big up, young, is massive. We'll get there.